How to fix me@Walmart app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check for the updates for the app me@Walmart. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name me@Walmart and then search for it. Once app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you want to do is clear cache for the app. For that, close this, launch your settings. Now, navigate to the option General. Head over to the option iPhone Storage. In this page, you're gonna find different apps that are installed in your device. Find the app me@Walmart. After you find the app, you'll need to open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, completely delete the app. For that, click on Delete app. Click on Delete app. Once you delete the app, close this, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app me@Walmart and then install it. By following the solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix me@Walmart app not working. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.